This is the most exciting thing to ever happen in the history of history.
A new age is dawning! We will never retreat! We will never surrender! Mexicans! Tonight, we dine in San Diego!
No handlebars. I can ride my bike with no handlebars. No handlebars, no handlebars. Look at me, hands in the air like it's good to be alive. And I'm a famous rapper even when the paths are all crookedy. I can show you how to do-si-do, I can show you how to scratch a record. I can take apart the remote control and I can almost put it back together. I can tie a knot in a cherry stem, I can tell you about Leif Erikson. I know all the words to De Colores and I'm proud to be an American. Me and my friend saw a platypus, me and my friend made a comic book. And guess how long it took? I can't.
I'm gonna have myself a time.
Friendly faces everywhere, humble folks without temptation.
Going down south, I'm gonna leave my world behind.
And we're parking day or night, people spouting howdy neighbor.
Heading on up south, I'm gonna see if I can't unwind.